So I've decided to go for a walk just down at Elwood Beach. It's generally very crowded down there. Let's see what it's like with the COVID restrictions. Birthday weekend, so a lot of people are out. It's a holiday in Australia, in Melbourne, so a lot of people are out just relaxing, you know, making the most of it. Some people out here that are just not wearing masks. They've taken them off. The rule is you have to wear a mask. This is really relaxing, guys. Just what I needed after yesterday. I was down and out yesterday. Heaps of people out at the moment. Just have a look behind me. Yeah, everyone's enjoying the day. Enjoy that, guys. It's really busy down here. Lots of people around, a lot of bike riders. Yeah, everyone's making the most of it. No one around me, and that bloody mask is stifling, you know. Hard to breathe in it sometimes.